Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. For those of you who do not know me, thank you so much for joining me today. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different. I've already completed the clips that you're going to see coming up, but in the clips you're going to see me testing out this premium pipe and drape kit that I got. I have not been able to use it. I've had it 4 months and it's like a over $200 investment, and I just never got a chance to use it. So this pipe and drape kit you can use for the layers. I believe you can do, I have the material to do 2 layers, but I think I can even go up to 3 layers if I get the right equipment. So I'm just testing it out. When I bought the kit, it starts at 8 feet. It is too large for my ceiling, so that's why I have to go outside. I had it in the storage unit, and when it got it, I said, let me just give it a try today because it is clear outside. There's no rain or anything. I said, let me just test this pipe and drape kit out. So it starts at 8 feet. It goes up to 14 feet. So you're gonna see me adding panels to this kit, and I'm gonna create a design, and then I'll just come back. All right, see you in a little bit. This is the first layer of the backdrop. It's crooked because my sidewalk is not leveled. Okay, now I'm gonna add the other panels and start creating some type of design. Okay, this is where I'm at. I'm still putting on the next layer. So this is what I have so far. Okay, so I'm done. I just got one more pole to cover, and I will go in and show you how I do that. And then I'll let you take a closer look at how I secured these swoops. This is how I secure the swoops right here with these pipe cleaners or Chanel, what do they call them? Chanel sticks or whatever. Okay, so that's how I'm securing it. Okay, to cover my pole, I am using a panel, and I am going to open this up and just kind of work my hands through to scrunch it up. So just keep on scrunching it, scrunching it, scrunching it. Mainly using my thumbs. Then you want to take one of these and feed it through. Bring it through until you have it like this. And then you take it, then you twist it, and you have a pole cover. And so I'm gonna put that on my pole. Since I'm doing this setup outside, the wind is working against me. All right, there you go. I think this would be a beautiful design if I didn't have the wind working against me. But the finishing touch is to go ahead and steam these curtains. It is very hot out here. It seems crazy, but you still need to steam it even while you're outside. So this is what I have right now. I chose this design based on the number of panels that I was working with. So had I had more panels, this design probably would be a little bit different. I would probably add more contrast, because if you see that white swoop, I can put a little bit more contrast there and maybe thicken up the royal blue. But this is what I have. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I thought I was going to be able to complete that design for you. The drapes were just too wrinkled. I did try to steam them. So what I'm gonna suggest that if you're doing something similar, or if you're going to be outside, I had an outdoor event and I was able to steam the drapes, but it wasn't, I didn't have it as wide as I had this design, and probably not as tall as this design, so it was a little bit easier. But I'm gonna just suggest starching, or getting your, maybe you starching your drapes, maybe taking them to the cleaners to have them starched. I know that probably would be a little bit expensive, or just buying panels that are wrinkle free. So unfortunately, all the panels I had whole wrinkles. And so I also want to suggest that when you're doing these layer looks, you have to have like a lot of panels. So I did not have as many panels as I would like to have had. So I thank you so much for tuning in with me and going on with me with this adventure. If you have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.